Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, as-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. قال الله تعالى في سورة الأنعام وما قدر الله حق قدره إذ قالوا ما أنزل الله على بشر من شيء قل من أنزل الكتاب الذي جاء به موسى نورا وهدى للناس تجعلونه قراتيس تبدونها وتخفون كثيرا وعلمتم ما لم تعلموا أنتم ولا آباؤكم قل الله ثم ذرهم في خوضهم يلعبون. Translation: and they do not recognize the power of Allah with true appraisal when they said, Allah has not revealed anything on a human being. Say, who then revealed the book that Musa brought as light and guidance for people? You copied on parchment some of which you disclose, but you conceal most of it, and you were taught by it what neither you nor your fathers knew. Say, Allah revealed it. Then leave them amusing in play of finding faults. Scholars have said that this ayah is about the Jews, and they did not recognize the power of Allah with true appraisal when they said that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala did not reveal anything on a human being. Jews said this because they wanted to deny Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam that you are not a prophet and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has not sent anything on you, and they were saying it just because of their arrogance and because of their hatred in their hearts. But by doing that, they were actually denying their own prophet, because Musa alayhi salam was also a human being, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala had sent book on Musa alayhi salam, which was Torah. So denying Quran and Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was actually denying Musa alayhi salam and Torah as well. These Jews were also misguiding the polytheists of Mecca when they used to come to the Jews and ask them about the prophets and the books, and the Jews would say that Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is not a prophet and Quran is not the book of Allah. So the Quraysh of Makkah would tell the same thing to other people, and they used to say that the Jews had a book and a prophet, and Jews are saying that Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is not a prophet and Quran is not the book of Allah. So they had that false argument that they used to get from the Jews. If somebody say that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala did not send any book, he is actually denying the absolute wisdom of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that how come it is possible that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give intelligence to human being and also give some authority to human being, but did not give any guidance how to use that intelligence and how to use that authority. Without the wisdom, the intelligence becomes a negative force, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given the guidance to all the humanity during all the times, so that the intelligence and the abilities Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given to human being are not misused. Another bad habit of Jews is also mentioned in this ayah, that they used to give some information from the Torah and used to hide much more information from the Torah, so that they can give the decisions to the other Jews who were not scholars to get the benefits of the word. One of the great example is they used to hide the predictions of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and Quran that were in the Torah, and they never told these predictions to the common Jews so that they can accept Islam and become Muslims and bring Iman on Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. In the end, it is said that these books are revealed by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala ordered to leave them amusing in play of finding faults, and they will get the result of what they do. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran. Ameen wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.